welcome. This is Mr. McGee, and I'm going to try to make a really fast version of how to graph this for those of you that just want to kind of cut to the chase. So here we go. First step, we need to calculate the mean. You do that by clicking up here, highlighting just like that, and going up here to average. Boom. Then you go down here to standard deviation, click on the box, and then you go up here to functions, click, and then go to standard deviation, click. Go here, highlight all your data, and it'll automatically compute it, okay, for that one little box. And hit Control C and copy that. Then I'm going to go paste this in every little box. Control V and paste it. I didn't copy it properly. Control V and paste it in that box. I have everything ready, so let's go ahead and make our graph. Click here and drag. Then you go Control. Whoops, I'm sorry. Shoot. Click here, highlight, then hit Control, and then highlight the entire mean. Now go up here to Insert. Come over here to Scatter Plot. Boom, we got a graph. Now coming over here, you want to make your title. You can pretty much put in whatever you want for your chart title as long as it is descriptive. Click here, and we're going to go here and make our axis title. So I'm going to click here. Go in here and make your axis title. For the sake of time, I'm going to let you put in your axis title. Over here, same thing. For the sake of time, I'm going to let you put in your axis title, but don't forget to put in your units in these as well. This is number of drops. This is in seconds. With that being said, look at your X and Y axis. Our Y axis looks good. Our X axis does need some formatting. So click on this right here. Then what you're going to do is right click over it, format axis. Now we're going to go ahead and make sure our x-axis is aligned to this, 0 to 125, and it's skipping in increments of 25. So let's do that. Make sure you enter 0, that takes it off automatic, and you enter 125. Whoops, 125. Okay, and we want it to go up in increments of 25 units. Okay, with that being said, we can close it off here, and we now have our graph labeled in this proper fashion, and the increments are set properly. Okay, I'm going to go back up here to plus and get rid of those grid lines because I don't want them on there. It's much nicer with them out there. Okay, next up we want to add in error bars. To do that, click here, go here, error bars, click here, and then more options. Okay, with that being said, go down to custom, specify value, and your positive error, click here, go here to highlight standard deviation, go here to negative, click, highlight standard deviation, click. And now that we have that, hit OK, and we have our nice error bars in there. Okay, with that said, now let's enter a trend line. Go over here, click again, and same thing with trend line. Click on the little side arrow and go to more options. Now again, we're going to pick polynomial, and we're going to keep it on 2 because it looks like it fits the data the best. Click on equation because it's nice to have that already computed, and you can exit off of there. And as you can see, I'll bring this down there just like that. We have a nice graph. Boom. You can click on this and copy it just like this. And let's go ahead and post this in a word processor file. Okay, and my word processor file is being slow. Now go ahead and type in whatever your lab is going to be, and then when you want to post your picture, let's say we want to put it between here, you just go to right click and you can paste it with any of these options. Personally, I like to use the last one of picture there, because then once it's pasted as a picture, I can scale it how I want to. With that being said, you can click on it again and go to format and wrap text, and you can move it around your paper anywhere you want to. Or you can not do that last option if you just want it to kind of be in line right there. Hope this helps. Thank you very much.